If you've ever struggled to stay consistent with your fitness goals, you already know one truth: your workout results depend on the tools you use at home. And that's exactly why choosing the right dumbbells can completely change your training game. Today, we're breaking down the top 7 best dumbbells for home workouts that actually deliver real performance, durability, and comfort, not just marketing claims. These dumbbells have been carefully reviewed and tested to see how they perform in real home workout setups, from beginners to advanced lifters. We've compared grip quality, weight accuracy, build strength, and overall value so you don't waste money on the wrong set. Whether you're building muscle, burning fat, or just staying active at home, this list has something for everyone. And yes, all the best deals and lowest prices are linked in the description and top comment, so you can grab the right set instantly without overpaying. Perfect dumbbells to upgrade your home workouts today.
This video is presented you by Trusty Picks.
Number 7. Rogue Fitness Urethane Dumbbells. For home gym purists with dedicated space and an absolute zero-compromise budget, the Rogue Fitness Urethane Dumbbells represent the definitive pinnacle of fixed commercial-grade strength hardware. These premium round-head dumbbells feature a solid steel core permanently bound to an ultra-durable, odorless CPU urethane coating that is vastly superior to traditional rubber in terms of tear resistance, color retention, and impact dampening. The handles feature a straight, pristine, medium knurling pattern across a 31mm shaft for weights up to 45 pounds, which expands to a beefier 34mm diameter for weights 50 pounds and above to optimize torque distribution and hand comfort. With high contrast, easy-to-read white weight indicators molded directly into the urethane face, these dumbbells are built for elite home training environments where absolute durability, perfect balance, and professional aesthetics are the primary goals. The Rogue Urethane series stands out because it eliminates the mechanical failure points of adjustable designs entirely, delivering an immutable, perfectly balanced tool that looks, performs, and lasts exactly like a top-tier commercial training facility. Number 6. Snowed Sport AD80 Adjustable Dumbbells. Engineering an adjustable dumbbell capable of surviving heavy, accidental drops has historically been an industry impossibility, but the Snowed Sport AD80 completely shatters that narrative with its elite, all-iron, drop-resistant design. Featuring an expansive weight spectrum of 10 to 80 pounds that adjusts quickly via a robust, click-indexing aluminum dial mechanism, the AD80 effortlessly swaps weights in clean 10-pound increments across a heavy-duty cast-iron plate architecture. The tactile interface is built around a thick, fully knurled 35-56mm handle that provides a robust grip profile, which is excellent for building forearm and grip strength during heavy rows and deadlifts. Snowed's proprietary structural engineering isolates the internal adjustment gears entirely from the weight plates themselves, absorbing shock forces and allowing these round-profile dumbbells to survive the rigors of high-intensity training. This makes the AD80 the ideal choice for home lifters who train with high intensity and want the lightning-fast speed of a dial-adjustable system, but refuse to coddle their equipment or worry about fragile plastic components cracking on impact. Number 5. Ironmaster Quick Lock Dumbbells. Ironmaster Quick Lock system is widely recognized as the absolute gold standard for old-school structural reliability. Utilizing a heavy-duty plate-loaded design that can be expanded from a 75-pound base kit to an incredible 165 pounds per hand. The hardware is built entirely from chrome-plated steel and rugged cast iron, completely abandoning plastic components to deliver an indestructible implement that can be aggressively dropped from overhead without a single worry. The proprietary quick lock mechanism uses a coarsely threaded, heavy-duty selector screw that securely clamps the interlocking square weight plates flat against the frame with less than a quarter turn, completely neutralizing plate wobble. Featuring a classic 31-75mm straight handle with a highly uniform traditional knurling pattern, these square profile weights are tailor-made for heavy home gym lifters who demand the raw, unyielding feedback of traditional cast iron. The Ironmaster stands out because it bridges the gap between classic Olympic loadable handles and modern adjustable blocks, offering a completely flat, comfortable outer head design that provides extreme structural reassurance when handling maximum weights. Number 4. Rep Fitness Ergo Hex Dumbbells. When your training routine heavily incorporates high-impact functional fitness, metabolic conditioning, or floor-based movements, a premium fixed implementation like the Rep Fitness Ergo Hex dumbbells is practically mandatory. Constructed from high-density, premium vulcanized virgin rubber compressed around a solid cast-iron core, these heads are specifically designed to absorb heavy impacts while protecting your home flooring and reducing ambient noise. The hardware is elevated by an engineered, contoured, chrome-plated handle featuring varying diameters that scale with the weight of the dumbbell to match human anthropometrics, alongside a beautifully executed medium knurling that ensures a slip-free grip during sweaty workouts. The anti-roll hexagonal geometry provides a completely stable foundation for renegade rows, push-ups, and devil presses, making these the definitive choice for dedicated CrossFit athletes and functional fitness practitioners. Ultimately, the Rep Ergo Hex stands out due to its strict, industrial-grade manufacturing tolerances, ensuring that every individual dumbbell matches its designated weight spec with laser precision, while omitting the toxic, pungent chemical odors common to cheap, recycled rubber. Number 3. PowerBlock Pro 100 EXP Dumbbells. The PowerBlock Pro 100 EXP completely redefines space-saving efficiency through its iconic nested stage-based rectangular architecture, allowing users to scale their investment sequentially from a 40-pound base kit up to a staggering 100 pounds per hand. This advanced hardware configuration features rigid steel weight blocks wrapped in a protective, impact-resistant urethane coating that drastically dampens noise and prevents superficial scuffing during intense training. The proprietary selector pin mechanism utilizes a flexible, non-welded composite structural resin pin that slides horizontally across the weight stack, meaning you can flawlessly alter your working weight in seconds without relying on complex, delicate internal gears. Designed with a neutral enclosed handle grip and interior padded wrist supports, these blocks alleviate joint shear during heavy loading, making them the ultimate tool for traditional bodybuilding and high-volume hypertrophy training. The PowerBlock stands out because of its absolute structural rigidity. The nested interlocking design eliminates independent plate movement entirely, providing an ultra-secure, rattle-free center of mass that handles high-velocity overhead movements with ease. Number 2. Rep X Pepin Fast Series Adjustable Dumbbell. For lifters prioritizing uncompromised durability and maximum load capacity, the Rep X Pepin Fast Series is a masterclass in heavy-duty engineering, offering an industry-leading weight range spanning from 10 pounds all the way up to a massive 125 pounds per hand. The mechanical foundation relies on a completely bulletproof all-metal construction, backed by a comprehensive lifetime warranty that explicitly ensures it can withstand high-impact commercial use without structural failure. Weight distributions are managed through ultra-fast, seamless adjustment pathways alongside integrated 2.5-pound micro-adjustment plates for highly precise progressive overload. The hardware features a thick, premium 34mm straight handle with deep, sharp knurling for maximum friction under load, and completely flat outer dumbbell heads that allow you to comfortably rest the weights on your thighs before kicking off a heavy set of presses. This premium system is intentionally engineered for competitive powerlifters, bodybuilders, and elite strength athletes who have outgrown standard 50-pound selectorized blocks and require a bomb-proof, ultra-heavy implement that genuinely mimics an entire commercial dumbbell rack. Number 1. Dumbbell Adjustable Dumbbells. The Dumbbell system stands as a benchmark for mechanical innovation in the selectorized strength market, utilizing a highly advanced internal steel spindle system that adjusts weight via a simple, seamless turn of the handlebar. Available in either a 50-pound or an expansive 80-pound configuration, these dumbbells adjust cleanly in distinct 5-pound increments, consolidating up to 16 individual pairs into an incredibly compact footprint of 15.5 by 7.5 inches. Structurally, the engineering features high-grade steel weight plates paired with a machined 32mm straight steel handle that delivers a continuous, aggressive medium knurling, fully eliminating the slippery, plastic-heavy feel common to legacy adjustable models. This traditional round profile and precise balance make them exceptionally suited for fast-paced training methodologies like drop sets or supersets, where mechanical speed is essential. For the functional fitness enthusiast or powerlifter executing heavy compound movements, The Dumbbell stands out because it retains the exact tactile feel, length, and balance of a commercial-grade fixed dumbbell while preventing the disruptive plate rattle that plagues lower-tier selectorized systems.
So, that wraps up our list of the best turntables. If this video was useful to you, kindly click the thumbs up button. Which one will you pick? Describe your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an updates. Everyone who had come this far, I'm hoping to see you in the next video.